Cleaning your baby's ears is an important part of their hygiene routine, but it's essential to do it safely to avoid injury or infection. The ear canal is delicate, and improper cleaning can lead to damage. By following these steps, you can clean your baby's ears effectively and safely. The safest method for cleaning your baby's outer ear is to use a soft, damp washcloth. Gently wipe the outer part of the ear to remove any dirt or wax buildup. Avoid inserting anything into the ear canal. Never use cotton swabs inside your baby's ears. Inserting them into the ear canal can push wax deeper, damage the eardrum, or cause injury to the sensitive skin inside the ear. The ear canal naturally produces earwax, which serves to protect the ear from dust, dirt, and bacteria. Overcleaning can lead to irritation and remove essential protective wax. Clean your baby's ears only when necessary, and never attempt to clean inside the ear canal. If you notice a buildup of wax, you can use ear drops specifically made for babies. These drops are gentle and can help soften the wax, making it easier to remove. Always follow the instructions on the product. Earcera Earwax MD Kit is safe for delicate ear canals. It protects your baby's sensitive ears. It helps keep ear canals clear. This reduces the risk of hearing issues. It also prevents infections caused by wax buildup. After applying ear drops, wipe the outer ear gently. Use a clean, soft cloth for this. Wipe around the ear canal carefully. Do not insert anything into the ear. After cleaning, ensure the ear is dry. Gently pat the outer ear with a soft cloth. If your baby shows discomfort or irritation, check their ears. Look for discharge or a foul smell. These may be signs of an ear infection. Consult a pediatrician before cleaning further. Regularly monitor your baby's ears for any signs of infection or discomfort, and consult a pediatrician if necessary. By understanding these tips and product, you can keep your baby's ears clean without causing harm.